I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Acura TLX oil light. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, locate and press the menu button on your steering wheel. Then, use the selector to navigate through the display options until you reach the vehicle information screen. This is your starting point for the reset process. Once you are on the vehicle information screen, you will see several options. Use the selector to highlight and then select Maintenance. After choosing Maintenance, you will then need to scroll down to find and highlight Engine Oil. Confirm this selection to move forward. This step brings you closer to resetting that persistent oil light. With Engine Oil selected, you will now see an option to reset. Highlight Reset and then confirm your choice. The system will typically ask you to confirm the reset one more time to prevent accidental changes. Once confirmed, the oil life percentage on your display should immediately return to 100%, indicating a successful reset. To finalize the process and verify the reset, turn your vehicle's ignition completely off. Wait a few seconds, then turn the ignition back to the on position. Check your dashboard display to ensure the oil light is no longer illuminated. If it's off, you've successfully reset your Acura TLX oil life reminder. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.